Hello everyone, my name is Dweta and today I'm going to talk to you all about how we can globalize business by integrating peace and tech translation in your app. Alright, so let's imagine you are running a business in your backyard, somewhere in France, maybe by the beautiful ocean side. You are very passionate about building this beautiful, cute, stuffed bunny rabbit that your goal is to sell this product worldwide. And we all know that Etsy is the place to sell this kind of product. All good. But here is one problem. You know only French. How are your customers going to understand the details of your product? You may assume that by looking at the pictures, they may buy your product. But what if they want to enter their feedback in their own native language, be it Italian, German, or English? At the end of the day, you want to build some sort of data analysis on top of this feedback so you can improve your product later on. You're blocked at this point, so you need some one-on-one expert advice. You reach out and realize that your expert knows only English. You have no choice but to contact another expert remotely. You reach out and realize that you don't have the necessary software to talk with this expert who is deaf or hard of hearing. What did we observe so far? What was that one barrier that was preventing your business from being a success? Language that communication barriers. This is a huge and important problem today. Why? There are 6,500 languages in this world. I bet the person sitting next to you may not know your native language. Apart from this, there are nearly 500 million on the planet who are deaf or hard of hearing and they face communication barriers. Diversity is amazing only if we find solutions to accommodate everyone on this planet. How are we going to solve this problem? Microsoft Cognitive Services can help you change the world or break any kind of barriers. These cognitive services are intelligent, business ready, and easy to deploy services that can be tailored for your specific business scenarios. We have a bunch of cognitive services APIs available. They can be used together like building blocks to infuse AI in your application and accelerate time to market. These APIs are very easy to implement and flexible in a sense that developers can implement them on any platform or use any programming language of their choice. I'm not going to go into details, but I want to focus on two important cognitive services, translator text and speech translator. Microsoft offers the state of the art neural machine translation. In the recent 2019 machine translation, which is the premier annual competition among top industries and academia, Microsoft stood in the winning cluster in 10 of 11 language pairs. Coming on to speech translation, so speech translation uses two different AI systems. The first AI system transcribes audio into text. However, when we talk, we use unnecessary filler words such as like. The system uses NLP technology called TrueText to remove the filler words. Once the text is normalized, it goes through the second AI system called Neural Machine Translation. All it does is translate the text from the source language to the target language. In this case, it's translating from English to Japanese. Now, if your application has an audio output, then a speech synthesizer or text-to-speech is used so that the user can hear the audio in their own language. We not only focus on translating standard words, we also have a capability to recognize your domain-specific terminology. To do that, all you need to do is log on to the custom translator portal. Don't worry, I'll give out the details at the end of the talk. All you need to do, upload the document for the languages you're translating, train a new model, and once you deploy the model, it gets put to our production servers in few minutes. You can then consume this in your application. Yeah, so that it recognizes the terminology. Using this custom text translation, we can solve our first problem of the backyard business. Now, HT can be translated in English and your customers can understand the details of your product. Similar to custom text translation, we have a way of creating custom speech models where you do the same thing. You upload your audio file, train a new model, and it gets put to our production servers. You can consume it in any application that can recognize specific terminologies in your audio. One of our trusted partners, Rochester Institute of Technology, has benefited from speech customization. So, their biology classes were transcribed accurately where the system was able to understand biological terminology. Let's watch the video. 1 minute.
The Cognitive Services custom speech recognition is critical for capturing vocabulary words that wouldn't be necessarily conventional in everyday life. Students can pick any language that they choose to receive the information. If the professor has chosen English, which they speak, then I can choose whatever language I learn in best.
Do you guys play any video games?
Students can use the app to initiate a conversation with others.
So now that I have my phone, I can see exactly what was said.
There are barriers to communication everywhere, but I think it's time we look at the barriers as opportunities, and then they can be broken down. Microsoft Translator has the ability to provide opportunities to reach out to everyone.
This is a great example of how communication barriers can be broken. Apart from this, Microsoft
The Cognitive
PowerPoint
Services
also offers speech translation. So let's say you are fluent in a language and you are giving a presentation to a worldwide audience. You want your presentation to be inclusive. No problem. You select the language of your choice and turn on the subtitles within PowerPoint. You can give your presentation with the caption coming in whatever language you choose. In this way, you can make sure your presentations are inclusive. So, now we have seen the problem where the owner of the backyard business was facing while communicating with experts. I want to introduce you all to Microsoft Translator. It is an automatic cloud-based service that transcribes as well as translates between several languages. It's available on all mobile platforms. You can download it right away and play with it. It's also available on desktop and as the website version as well. So what's unique with Microsoft Translator is it has the conversation concept which can connect up to 100 people, everyone having the software installed on their own device of their choice. And now when one person talks in one language, everyone else can see the same information in their own native language in their own device. So Microsoft Translator translates up to 60 plus languages. By the way, I am hard of hearing and I communicate with my manager on a daily basis. My manager is very fluent in German. So in our informal conversations every day, we use Microsoft Translator and I found it to be very useful. Let's see a demo.
I would like to tell you about my visit to Brussels.
Ich war gerade dort letzte Woche, um mich mit Vertretern der Europäischen Union zu treffen.
I was there just last week to meet with representatives of the European Union.
Und ich bin froh, dass ich in meiner Muttersprache sprechen kann, obwohl wir hier in den Vereinigten Staaten miteinander sprechen.
And I'm glad I can speak in my mother tongue. Although we are talking to each other here in the United States.
So I'm going to do this live demo during the question and answer session. So stay tuned for this. Coming to the last problem with the owner of the backyard business, try to call a remote expert who is hard of hearing. I want to introduce you all
I
to
would like
Microsoft Teams. So Microsoft Teams is a unified communication platform that integrates workplace chat, video meeting, and file storage all in one place. This is one product that used across Microsoft for all meetings. So Microsoft Teams has a new feature called live captioning. So let's say you are holding a meeting or you are calling someone, you can easily turn on the live captioning and it makes everyone feel included in the conversation. I'm going to show you a demo where I'm going to call my colleague back in Redmond. So let me go to Teams. Oh, it's not showing up there. Just a minute. How do I from here? How do I maximize it?
They have to raise their volume
Okay.
on their microphone. Have them turn their microphone on.
How do I go back there? So these are my colleague from Redmond and I'm going to turn on the live caption. Alright, so can you tell me a bit about you and your team? Oh, I don't think-
Hi, how are you today? Hello from Bellevue. We work in Teams meetings.
So this is how captaining can make meetings inclusive and can make calls easier. How do I go back? How do I go back? Thank you, guys.
Okay, take care.
How do maybe this one. It is not so copy. Okay. Okay, so we have seen how we can integrate speech and text translation in your app. Now, to get started, you can go to this website aka.ms/Microsoft Translator. You can find everything in one place. How you can use it for your personal or business or educational uses. Now, if you want to combine translator with other cognitive services, you can go through aka.ms/cognitive services where you can find a lot of good information over here. With that, I'm going to open up for question and answers. Now, there won't be a mic that will be passed around, but instead, we have two volunteers over here who are going to pass around the app and you are going to talk to the app. So for that, I'm going to start a conversation using Microsoft Translator. K-E-L-U-Y. Yeah. So if you have the Microsoft Translator app on, you can use this app. If not, Pani and Temi are going to pass around the app if you have any questions. That is the good question. It is already in the roadmap. Right now we have live captioning. Okay, so the question was, when is translation going to be integrated into Microsoft Teams? The answer is right now we have live captioning and translated caption, also known as subtitles, is planned and it's in the roadmap. It will come out soon. I'm sorry, but I don't think it got your voice. Can you talk again? Is there a mic? His mic.
So what I was wondering about is that, let's say a person is having issues with his typing. So can they speak, and then
Yeah.
whatever they are speaking will all be transcribed into a letter or something like that, or an email? It can compose email.
Yes, we have Microsoft Translator integrated into all Microsoft products like Outlook, Word, PowerPoint. So if the employee wants to type anything in any of these products, they can click on the Microsoft feature, Microsoft Translator feature on this product. It will accurately transcribe whatever they talk. Yeah. It is available on the ribbon panel. What? Oh, with version, it will be available in any version 2010 plus.
Okay.
Yeah, one more question. Mike.
How about noise cancellation in this one?
I'm sorry.
Noise cancellation.
What with?
Noise.
Oh, noise cancellation. That is a good question.
Question is, if I'm in the factory, that there will be a big noise in the when we are trying to use this cognitive services, the speech to text. So how about the noise behind that? When we speak, the noise will be there. A lot of noise is there. So how do we overcome that one?
We are already having models trained to actually adapt to the noisy situation. Microsoft Research is coming up with new algorithms that can solve this challenging problem. Right now, we are not 100% there, but we are working towards it.